Hello, I'm working on the They Are Everywhere project, an idea that sparked after exploring the experimental AI navigation package, and I'd like to share my progress. I'm developing a level editor that creates a voxel landscape, allowing Nav Mesh agents to traverse all its surfaces. While the Nav Mesh Surface component provided by the package enables the creation of navigation grids on separate plates, the subsequent merging using Nav Mesh links is a lengthy and tedious process, so I decided to automate it. I took inspiration from the FabGrid level editor asset, then choosing the level editor interface. 3 panels were implemented, allow the placement of voxels, manipulation of voxel sites, and baking of final models. How did I achieve this? The obvious solution was a state machine. The transition between the state switches, interface panels, and rebind the new tools to controls. For this, the UI Builder implemented interface panels share a common global structure that interact with the state machine. Editor control occurs through a separate class, an extension, interpreting Unity editor-generated events into subscribable events. Essentially, all that's left for me is to apply Nav Mesh Surface and connect them with Nav Mesh links, and they will finally be everywhere.